Yo, what's up, Wolfpack? It's your boy Wolfster. Today we're playing helicopter game, so let's get right into this. Click to start. Okay, so I'm not sure how to play this. I didn't even look. Hold to 17. So do like, oh, I get this. Kind of difficult actually. Just going down. This is very difficult. It's upside down for you guys. Wait, no, I'm gonna fix it so it's not upside down for the video. Okay, go here. This is in Roblox, by the way, by Stickmaster Luke. So we gotta get to 500 then. Well, I can't pause the video right now because I'll fall and die. It's like Flappy Bird, kinda, but more raging. And Flappy Bird's really ragey. They deleted it because of that. So here, 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 here. 2 or 250 is our distance. Okay, let's go down, down, up, 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 down, up, down.